Hello and welcome to the Obarun channel. And today I will show you how to make a quick installation of an Obarun system. I will make it on a VM from a GWM ISO. So let's get started. I choose the first entry of the 6 Linux menu. As any GWM flavor ISO, if you log with a regular user, meaning OBLive, the X session will start automatically. Okay, and now to start the installation, you just need to double click on this icon, which starts the Obarun install script. At first time, the script will check the availability of your network. By default, the script is launched on full script mode. You can exit from this mode pressing the F11 keyboard key, like this. Okay, now the script asks you if you want to update the Obarun install package. Always answer yes to this question. This is really important because some script fix can be made after the release of the ISO. So it's a good way to be sure to be up to date with the Obarun install package. Same thing here about the Obarun install themes package. Okay, now we are up to date. Here, choose your desired keymap. For me, it's French. So, now it's really simple. You have two things to do. The first one is to choose flavor of installation from menu number 3 that you want to install. I will pick, for example, Plasma. Then you need to prepare your disk picking the number 6 on the menu. Here you have two different choices. I pick the easy way, meaning the assisted preparation. I pick the disk where I want to install my new system. For me, it's the first one. In this menu, you can decide to split your disk in multiple partitions: a boot partition, an ARM partition, and a swap partition. You can select and unselect this option pressing the spacebar key on your keyboard, like this. Now you need to define the size of your boot partition. The default one is good for me, so I keep it as it. Same thing here for the swap partition. This will clearly depend of your machine. For me, the default one is a good choice. And finally, the size of your root partition, I leave it by default too. The script calculates automatically the size of the home partition. You can see the size here. We need now to choose the FS type to apply to all partitions one by one. The first one to set is the boot partition. Let's pick X2. Now for the root partition and finally the home partition. As you see here, the entire disk will be erased. Okay, this step can take time. It will depend of your partition size. So be patient. Now with the right and left arrow key I switch to the install button and the installation will start. This script hardly depends on the network to download fresh versions of the packages. Sometimes the repositories are not up to date or unavailable and produce an installation crash. In this case, do not panic. Just relaunch the Obarun install script. The script will begin again at the state of the crash, meaning it will not download again a packages already downloaded. You don't need to remake all previous steps. The script keeps in memory your previous choice. So, pick directly the install button and let the script rerun the installation. Okay, I cut the record and I come back when the package's installation is almost done. The package's download process is now done. Pacman will install it. This step takes a little time due to the number of the packages to install. The script asks you for the watch password. Well, enter it. Same here. Do you want to install the bootloader? Simply enter yes. The script asks you to select the boot partition. If you install the system without boot partition, just select the MNT mount point. In my case, I have a boot partition. This step can take a little time too, so be patient. Do you want to manually edit the 6linux.cfg file? Normally, the script configures this file automatically for you. In general, you don't need to touch anything on this file. The script detects if you are running a VirtualBox machine and asks you if you want to install the VirtualBox module. In my case, I answer yes. Okay, the following menu will help you to configure your fresh installation. You just need to define one by one the steps. Okay, let's get started and define first your hostname. Do the same for your locale. For me, it's French. Do you want to generate other locale? In my case, no. Define now your local time. For me, it's Pacific. Set the name of your regular user. Then your keyboard console. US is not good for me. I prefer French. Okay, now with your left and right arrows keyboard key, pick the Apply button. Enter the password of your regular user. Same here. The installation is almost done. The script configures your system according to your choice. Many thanks to Jean-Michel to have did this Plasma template. Okay, we are done. The system is successfully installed. Now to reboot. Just enter reboot. Okay, I choose the hard drive entry instead of the ISO. It seems good. Normally, the system starts directly as DDM as Display Manager. Well, I enter my password. Plasma should start now. Plasma takes a little time to start at the very first use, so be patient. Okay, maybe you can try to run a console. Let's try to display our kernel information. So, the system is fully functional. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye bye.